Microsoft support offerings. It's important to note that Microsoft offers a varied range of support. They will always try to sell you, of course, their hero offerings, like they do with licenses and subscriptions as well, which are called Premier and Unified support. But there's a lot of different types of support that is already present while you're contracting software and services of Microsoft. In this session, we will start by explaining what types of support there are and what different levels you have. Microsoft often sells Premier and Unified support as necessary, so it's very good to understand your options. And then we dive a bit deeper into what support is included in the service that you buy. So what is included in, for instance, software assurance, and what do you already have when you buy Microsoft 365, for instance? What is the added value of Premier and Unified? And when you opt for one of those additional support contracts, either Unified or Premier, you need to understand what you're buying. And what we get as feedback a lot is that the difference between Premier and Unified is very vague. We hope to shed a little bit of light on that, but the general feedback is, why am I suddenly needing to switch to Unified support? What the additional benefits does it bring me? And for the love of God, why is it so expensive? After you understand what you buy, you need to make sure how to negotiate. So this is an important aspect as well. And Eric will talk a lot about this in the last few slides that we have. So do stick around till the end, or if you're watching this on a replay, skip to the juicy sections in the end straight away. We will try to answer all your questions. If you have any, do drop them in the notes. We will try to respond as soon as possible, either live or via the chat. So let us know what you think of the session. If we answered any questions that you have, if you still have any open items that you want to touch on, so that we know what your general feedback is.